Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Now our revision topics are going on, isn't it? Your final exam is coming. Very soon it will come. And you all have to excel in that. And you want to go to first standard, isn't it? Yes. So work hard, read well, everything you have to do. Ready? Okay, so today what we are going to do is we are going to make some sentences with both pronouns, and also we are going to start some question words also this time. Okay, this week we are dealing with both. Okay, so shall we start? Ready? Okay, so I will show you some pictures. Okay, some pictures, but first picture you look, then we will make some sentences with what I will say after this. Okay, look, you can see some boys are running. Some boys are running, isn't it? Some boys are running. So can you make a sentence with they? Can you make a sentence with they? Can you? Shall we try? Yes. They are running. They are running. So shall we write it on the board? Yes, they are running. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So read once again. They are running. Then again one more sentence you have to make with they. Ready? Okay. Look here, some girls are dancing. So how you will make sentence with they? Very good, mashallah, very good. They are dancing. They are dancing. So shall we write it? Yes, they are dancing. So we learn how to make sentence with they. So verb we are using they if it is more than one person, isn't it? If it is more than one person, we are using the pronoun they. Okay, understood? They means avaru ഓടുകയാണ്, avaru dance കളിക്കുകയാണ്, അല്ലേ? Yes. So we will move on to the next pronoun and I will show you some more pictures here. Okay, ready? Yes. Look here, you can see a girl and a boy, and on back of them there is a big house also. You can see that a boy and a girl standing in front of a big house. So we want to make a sentence with the pronoun there. There, avarude. We had already learned they, avaru. We want to make sentence with there. So how we will make sentence with this? Yes, their house is big. Shall we write it? Yes, their house is big. Their house is big. Okay, the second picture you look here, you can see a family, you can see a boy and girl. These two children are loving their parents very much. Okay, loving their parents very much. So how we will make sentence with their? We can say like this: they love their parents. You can even say like this: the boy and girl love their parents, you can say, or they love their parents. അവർക്ക് അവരുടെ പാരൻസിനെ ലവ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. Okay? Okay. Now the next one. So now you have learned two pronouns, they and their. So please tell me what is the spelling of they? Yes, T-H-E-Y. They. And what is the spelling of there? T-H-E-I-R. There. They, our, their, avarude. Okay. Now I will show you another picture. I know you all know who is this. Tell me, who is this? Yes. So it's a postman. We want to make a question for him. How we will do that? How we will make a question? With who? With who? Yes. Who is that? We can ask, no? Who is that? Then you can answer me. That is a postman. Isn't it? So we had started the question words. The first question word is who. So here we are going to make a sentence with who. Okay. So I am asking you, who is that? Look the sentence. Who is that? So always there will be an answer. Who means refers to a person. Okay. മനസ്സിലായോ? ആരാണ് എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ who യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക. Understood? Yes. Who is that? ആരാണത്? That is a postman. That is a postman. You will answer me. Right? Then look, there is a picture of a doctor. There is the picture of a doctor. So I will make a sentence with who. Listen. Who treats us when we are sick? Who treats us when we are sick? What answer you will be giving? Doctor, isn't it? Doctor. Okay, if you want to get any answer related to some person, we have to use the question words who. And what is the spelling of who? W-H-O. Very easy, no? So I am moving to the next question word. You want to know which question word is that? Look here on the board. Yes, can you read this question word? Yes, whose. What is the spelling of whose? W-H-O-S-E. Whose. W-H-O-S-E. Now I will show you a picture and we will make a sentence with whose. Whose is also a question word, so it will be a question. Okay, look, a boy is wearing a red cap, a girl is wearing a blue cap. Okay, so what question we can make for this? Can you say? Can you think? ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കിയിട്ടൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ, എന്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വേർഡാണ് നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റുക? അറിയോ? Shall I make it for you? Yes. Whose cap is blue? Whose cap is blue? Girl's cap is blue. You can also ask whose cap is red? Whose? Arude. Okay. Whose cap is red? Boy's cap is red. Answer. Okay. So who means Ara. Whose means Arude. Understood? Okay, one more picture I will be showing. These two people are very common in newspapers, daily newspapers. If you are taking, you can see these two guys in the newspaper. Can you identify these two persons? Yes, it is Rahul Gandhi and the other one is Priyanka Gandhi. Yes, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi's sister is Priyanka Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi's brother is Rahul Gandhi, isn't it? So we want to make a sentence with whose. Shall we try? Yes. Whose sister is Priyanka Gandhi? Whose sister is Priyanka Gandhi? Whose sister is Priyanka Gandhi? Rahul Gandhi's. You can make another question also. What is that question? What is that question? Yes. Whose brother is Rahul Gandhi? Whose brother is Rahul Gandhi? Priyanka Gandhi's. Okay, this is what. Okay, so you have learned two question words now. The first one is who and the second one is whose. Now we are going to look the next topic. Okay, yes or no questions. Okay, yes or no questions. If the answer is yes, you want to say yes it is, yes they are, like that question. Okay, and if it is no, you have to say no it is not, no they are not, like that. Okay, so I will show you the picture. Look, you can see the picture of a cow. Now I am going to ask a question to you. Is this a cow? Is this a cow? What will be the answer? Yes, it is. What is the answer? Yes, it is. Is it a cow or is this a cow? Yes, it is. Correct. And look the next one, next picture. Some boys are there, right? Some boys are there. So I am going to ask you, are they girls? Are they girls? Our pengutikalaano? No, they are not. What you will write? No, they are not. So if it is positive reply, you will say yes it is or yes they are or something else. If it is negative, if it is wrong answer, you will say no it is not, no they are not, like that answer. So today's revision class include all this topic like they. Look onto the board. Yes, they, their, who, whose and yes or no. Okay, understood? Muggles, don't learn anything by heart. You just read and read and read and try to use these words whenever situation comes. Okay, so whenever you get a chance to speak, use all these words in your conversation. Okay, it will be very useful for you for improving your communication skill. Okay, inshallah we will meet the next week with the rest of the topics. Okay, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, welcome to our House of Knowledge, Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School.
This is our preschool. We are like butterflies here, enjoying our learning. Loving and caring Mandis and Ayas are always there to help us. Just have a look at our little wonderful world.
Our school is one of the pioneer CBSE school in the Malappuram district, founded by the Ansar Islam Charitable Trust Kondoti under the chief patronship of Abdurrahman Sahib in the year 1983.
We have a profound academic background with many meritorious and inspiring alumni worldwide.
I am Ashfaq Ali, an alumni of Markazul Uloom English Senior Secondary School. I am currently working as Global Investigations Advisor at Amazon.
ഞാൻ 5ാം ക്ലാസ് മുതൽ 10ാം ക്ലാസ് വരെ പഠിച്ചത് മർക്കസിലാണ്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഞാനെന്നൊരു ഇൻഡിവിജ്വലിനെ ഒരുപാട് ബേസിക്സ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതും ഫോം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നതൊക്കെ ഞാൻ മർക്കസിൽ പഠിച്ചിരുന്ന സമയത്താണ്.
Alhamdulillah, they are molded with moral values and life skills.
Marcus gives an ambience to engage, enlighten and empower our intellectual and substantial well-being by providing us an holistic education. We are embedded with very good infrastructure with smart classrooms, knowledge hub, libraries and IT labs, science labs and so on.
Success is where opportunity and preparation meets. Here we get training in swimming, karate, taekwondo, chess, handball, so on.
Marcus is truly a glittering star, bagging several trophies in Kids Fest, Sports Meet, English Fest, Green Army, MTSE Winners, Kabaddi, Handball, showed their skills in State Junior Football, 100% results in AISC and AISC examinations.
The school has been providing quality education from preschool to class 12. Even in this pandemic situation, the school has given wide opportunity in teaching and learning. We are giving YouTube classes as well as live classes simultaneously.
Yes! കണ്ടുവോ നിങ്ങളെ? മഴയോ മഴ 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 പെരുമഴ. Tiger! Tiger! You look. Hi, my name is Cockroach.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
ഇതുപോലെ ഇതാ ചുറ്റും നമ്മളെ കെട്ട് കണ്ട നല്ല ഭംഗിയില്ലേ?
The first method is fixed capital method and the second method is fluctuating capital method.
Cube, isn't it? Then how many faces in a cube?
കാലത്തുണർന്നു കുളിച്ചതല്ലേ.
उसके बाद हम आज पढ़ेंगे कहानी. आपको पसंद है कहानी?
Now, look at this picture. What can you see there? ഏതൊക്കെ പക്ഷികളാണ് അവിടെ സ്ഥിരതാമസക്കാർ? നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരുപാട് പക്ഷികളെ കാണുന്നില്ലേ?
We are assessing our students through online exams and written exams. We give importance to co-curricular and creative activities.